Mary Swartz. Welcome to my second Tool Talk on applying. Applying is the second level of Bloom's taxonomy. When acquiring knowledge, one must be able to apply a concept to a situation in order to fully grasp it. This is something that is a part of learning. This is where you need a tool more specific to your field. Excel is this tool. It's virtual spreadsheets you can use to log data, graph, and solve problems. Functions are built into Excel to make it easier to use. Excel has many helpful features, but since I will be using it for accounting, I will go over only what is helpful to accounting. First, the Home tab. You have in the left corner what is basic for every Microsoft application: copy, paste, format, the words, and which alignment they need. Then it gets more Excel specific as you move right along the tab. Merge and wrap is more Excel specific, and it is when a word or words are too long for the cell and you can have them bleed over into the next. Formatting the numbers is very important when you're an accountant because you work with a lot of numbers. So if you want the numbers in any way, like percentage or money format, you need to know how to do this. AutoSum is also very important when you're accounting because it adds or takes the average or subtracts or a large group of numbers. Insert is helpful for organizing data into pivot tables and charts to compare the data. It helps to summarize the data and put into perspective. One of the needs of accountants is to be able to compare data. Page layout isn't too important unless you need to print. However, the Formula tab is where the application truly begins. Here you can implement the concept formulas you remembered with your first tool. It has nearly any formula you can imagine. However, for accounting, you only really need the basics, such as adding, subtracting, dividing, and multiplying. To use the formulas, you can click on the Insert function and choose from various formulas. The last few tabs aren't as important. Data and Review helps summarize data. View helps format the data in what way you want to see it and makes it easier to print. And Help makes it easier for you to get an assistance on Excel when you are confused or don't know how to use a specific application or function. The last tab is one of the most important. It's the File tab. It was all the way at the left. This helps us save work for later and helps print out if need be. It's very important that you could save your data because it's always good to go back and look over what you have done and to edit data if you have new information that you've come across. Excel is very important when applying concepts successfully for math-based or database fields. So you should go and download it if that's the field that you are working in. Thank you.